Hi everyone, I am Fiona. In this video, I will show you a 2-meter wide cavity interchangeable EPS mold. This is an EPS mold with a width of over 2 meters. While ensuring the strength of the mold, we also design an easy mold cavities interchange design, so our customer can quickly replace the mold cavities according to the production schedule plan. For more information about the EPS machine and EPS mold, please contact us by email or mobile phone. We will be happy to answer your questions.